Hey everyone, Tarek Kagan here. Welcome back to the channel for another tech tip video. Taking care of your computer can feel like a chore, but trust me, a little maintenance goes a long way. We're talking preventing slowdowns, crashes, even extending the life of your precious machine, overheating, dust, viruses, you name it, we're covering it all today. I'm going to give you the down low on how to keep your system running smooth like butter. From hardware to software, we'll dive into the nitty-gritty of computer care. Whether you're a casual user or a hardcore gamer, this video is packed with essential tips to keep your computer happy and healthy for years to come. So grab your cleaning kits and let's get started. Alright, let's start with the basics. The stuff you absolutely got to do to keep your computer from an early grave. First off, food and drinks are a big no-no near your computer. I know. Sometimes you just got to have that coffee while you work, but trust me, one wrong move and you could be looking at a very expensive paperweight. Use a coaster, keep it away from the keyboard, you'll thank me later. Next up, surge protectors. Those aren't just for show. Power surges can fry your computer's components faster than you can say blue screen of death. Plug your computer into a good quality surge protector to keep it safe from those unexpected jolts of electricity. And hey, when you're not using your computer, don't just walk away. Put it to sleep or shut it down completely. It'll save you energy and reduce wear and tear on the components. Now, if you're rocking a laptop, battery care is where it's at. First off, resist the urge to keep it plugged in 24/7. Yeah, it's convenient, but constantly topping off the battery can actually reduce its lifespan. Let it drain a bit, then charge it up. And speaking of charging, avoid those extreme temperatures. Heat and cold can really mess with your battery's performance. Oh, and one more thing, try not to let your battery completely drain to zero too often. It puts extra stress on it. Aim for charging somewhere between 20% and 80% for that sweet spot. Heat is the silent killer of electronics. A cool computer is a happy computer, so let's talk about airflow. For my laptop users, those little vents aren't just for decoration. Make sure they're not blocked. Don't use it on your bed or a soft surface where it can't breathe. A laptop stand can be a lifesaver here, literally, and for my desktop folks, same deal. Don't cram it into a tiny, enclosed space. Give it some breathing room, keep those fans clear of dust bunnies, and you'll be good to go. Trust me, a cooler system means better performance and a longer lifespan. Chapter 4, Hardware Health. A clean machine is a happy machine. Alright, let's get our hands dirty. Well, not literally. We're talking about cleaning your computer's hardware, and no, I don't mean just wiping down the screen. Dust is a computer's worst enemy. It can clog up fans, cause overheating, and lead to all sorts of problems. So grab yourself a can of compressed air and give those vents, fans, and ports a good blast. While you're at it, check those cables. Make sure they're all securely connected and there's no fraying or damage. A little preventative maintenance goes a long way. Chapter 5. Laptop Love On-the-Go Protection. For all you road warriors out there, let's talk about keeping that laptop safe when you're on the move. First things first, invest in a good quality laptop sleeve or case. It'll protect it from bumps, scratches, and the occasional coffee spill. And when you're packing your bag, don't just toss it in there with your textbooks or that brick of a power adapter. Treat it with a little respect. Oh, and one more thing, a screen protector is a must-have. Those laptop screens scratch easier than you think. Chapter 6. Software savvy updates, uninstalls, and antivirus. Alright, time to dive into the software side of things. Keeping your operating system and software up to date is crucial. Those updates aren't just about new features, they often include important security patches and bug fixes. Next up, let's talk about bloatware. You know, those pre-installed programs you never use but somehow take up gigabytes of space? Yeah, get rid of them. Uninstall anything you don't need to free up some valuable storage space. And last but not least, antivirus software. It's not just for your grandma anymore. A good antivirus program is your first line of defense against malware and those pesky viruses. Speaking of viruses, let's talk about how to avoid those nasty digital infections. First off, if you haven't already, get yourself a reputable antivirus program and keep it updated. But it's not just about having the software, it's about using your noggin too. Be careful what you download, stick to trusted websites, and be wary of suspicious links or attachments in emails. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. All right, folks, this next one is crucial. We're talking about backups. Imagine this, you're working on a super important project and bam, your computer crashes, hard drive failure, the works, all your data gone. Don't let this happen to you. Back up your important files regularly. You can use an external hard drive, cloud storage, or both. And hey, if you're feeling extra cautious, set up automatic backups. It's like having an insurance policy for your data. Is your computer feeling a little sluggish? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Over time, your hard drive can get fragmented, which slows things down. Running a defragmentation tool can help optimize your drive and give it a little speed boost. And while you're at it, clear out those temporary files and browser cache. They might seem small, but they can add up and clutter your system. If you're still feeling the lag, it might be time for a hardware upgrade. Upgrading your RAM or switching to a solid-state drive can make a world of difference. And there you have it, folks, your crash course in computer care. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your system running smoothly and preventing those heart-stopping tech meltdowns. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech goodness. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Until next time, keep your systems cool, your backups safe, and your data secure.